Yeah, I'm gonna. I just wanted to get up really close so you can hear them.
Yeah. I'm in awe of how they're following me. They're just happy as clams because it's there's so much. Look at this, Larry. It's solid yellow going into that thing. Jimmy. Isn't that great?
That is fantastic.
Look at these guys. They're just every one of them, Larry. They're
Yeah.
just loaded.
They've all got mass amounts
What
of pollen.
is it? I wonder. What is it that they're getting? That is great. Look at these guys up here.